Hello everyone, welcome to the another Stock Watch episode series। आज सैटरडे है, एक और नए स्टॉक पे हम डिस्कस करेंगे, डिटेल में उसका चार्ट एनालिसिस देखेंगे और कुछ ऐसे कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं जो आपके लिए शायद नए हो बट बहुत ही पावरफुल है, जो आपको सीखने को मिल सकता है। इसलिए ये वीडियो आपको एंड तक देखना चाहिए। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम है यज्ञेश पटेल और आज जो स्टॉक हम एनालिसिस करेंगे उससे पहले मैं आप सबसे कुछ कहना चाहूँगा और वो है, मैं तहे दिल से आप सबको थैंक यू कहना चाहूँगा। मेरा इतना बड़ा फैमिली है और मुझे इतने सारे विशेष और प्रेयर्स मिले जिसके वजह से मैं बहुत ही जल्द रिकवर हो पाया। लास्ट मंथ आई वॉज कोविड पॉजिटिव, बट आप सबके प्रेयर्स, दुआओं और विशेष के मदद से मैं बहुत ही जल्द वापस मार्केट में बैक हो पाया हूँ। सो इसलिए थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन, थैंक यू सो मच। और चलते बात करते हैं अभी स्टॉक के बारे में, और वो स्टॉक है नारायण रुद्रालय NH, जिसका शॉर्ट फॉर्म है। ये हमने शॉर्ट लिस्ट किया है। क्यों किया है उसका रीज़न हम देखेंगे। अच्छा, एक मोमेंटम दिखाया है उसने लास्ट ट्रेडिंग सेशन में, इसका चेक करेंगे हम। प्राइस, मोमेंटम, वॉल्यूम्स, इवन ऑन डिलीवरेबल वॉल्यूम्स, ये सारी चीज़ें हम देखेंगे और कंक्लूड करेंगे कि क्या इसमें लेवल्स एक्सपेक्टेड है आने वाले कुछ टाइम के लिए। लास्ट वीक में हमने HSIL लिमिटेड का एनालिसिस देखा था एंड स्टॉक ने बहुत ही बढ़िया परफॉर्म किया है। 20% का अपर सर्किट उसने हिट किया और उसके बाद भी अच्छा मोमेंटम दिखाया उसने। सो एक विदिन 1 वीक मोर देन 20% का उसने रिटर्न एक जनरेट किया था। अगर वो वीडियो आपने नहीं देखा है तो यहाँ पे आपको लिंक मिल जाएगा, चेक करिए। आपके लिए ये केस स्टडी हो सकता है, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट हो सकता है। सो चलिए ज़्यादा टाइम ना लेते हुए एनालिसिस देखते हैं NH का। लेट्स जंप टू द स्क्रीन। हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू द स्क्रीन। दिस इज द डेली चार्ट ऑफ नारायण रुद्रालय and we have seen a good momentum in last trading session with a good volume built up. So that's the one main reason this stock has catch up our eyes, and we have shortlisted this stock for the next stock watch stock. So let's analyze as usual with a different time frame, but the main thing is it has given a good momentum on last trading session with a higher volumes. So that is the main reason. Let's start with higher time frame of monthly chart of NH. The short form is NH of this stock, and we have seen a good resistance zone here. Let me mark the resistance here, which has tested here, and we have seen a good correction. Finally, it has given a good breakout here, and stock went up to from 380 level to all the way 524, and then again it has given a good correction and retracement. We call it retracement, and exactly now it has taken support at the same level. The previously resistance now acting as a support, CIP, change in polarity, and we have seen a good spinning candle. The shadow here, the wick is very high. Spinning candle, the one of the reversal candle on a higher time frame. This is the monthly time frame, and on the month of May we have seen a good upside momentum with a good volume built up. You can see here the last month volume and this month volume. This is a half month, by the way, the 15th May, and we have seen a good volume compared to the previous month volume with a good bullish candle stick pattern. So that's the main reason we have seen price is increasing, volumes are increasing. The CIP, previous support, previous resistance now as a support, and very importantly we have seen RSI taking support above 60 level on a monthly time frame. It suggests a very good higher side upside momentum possibility is very high. So these are the few reasons we have seen on the monthly time frame. And also there is let me show you here, Fibonacci retracement level also comes at this zone around 38%. We have seen it's around 402, and previous resistance now acting as support is 380. So 380 to 400 is a good support zone. 20 point band is a good support zone for this counter. Okay, on the monthly time frame. Now let's back to the weekly time frame and let's check what is onto the charts. The moving average slope is rising. That means this is uptrend on a weekly time frame as well. So medium term time frame is uptrended, and we have seen a good bullish candlestick pattern here with a good volume compared to the previous week. Slightly good volume, not that much higher, but it's slightly showing a good interest on a buying side. One more thing, it here it has given a exactly the swing high resistance near closing near to the swing high resistance. So that's a good sign. So these are the few things, and also there is a W kind of pattern breakout here onto the weekly time frame. So these are the possibilities we have seen on a weekly time frame as well. Now let's back to the daily time frame, which is our short term time frame. We call it a short term time frame. Here we have seen a good, this is a very good rally from the month of May 2020. It has showing a very good rally up to the February month, and since the February months, February, March and April, we have seen a good correction, small correction after a good rally. This is a kind of amazing rally. It has showing some kind of correction. That's a very good healthy correction, and it has taken support onto the higher time frame as well as weekly time frame and Fibonacci level also. Now let's check the last trading session, which catches our eyes. It's showing a good momentum around 6% move with a very huge volume on a single day. The moving average, which was acting as a resistance, see here, this is a resistance zone. This is a price rejection again, and one more rejection here is again. So multiple time of rejection we have seen onto the moving average low as a resistance. Now it has clearly crossed the moving average. So we call it a moving average breakout with a big body white candle with a higher volume. Now let's check the volume analysis part. Okay, I will show you amazing, interesting data. Let me show you. This is the delivery based data for NH, and we have seen last 1 month from 15th of April to 14th of May, which is the last trading session, and the maximum volume. This is a deliverable quantity. Maximum delivery has been taken on a 14th May. You can see here 3,07,000 quantity out of volume of 11 lakh 1,000 quantity. So from 11 lakh volume, 3 lakh has been taken as a delivery. And if we can see the previous data, since the 1 month, this is the highest one. So that is an amazing sign. Somebody has picked up this stock, and we clearly see from the data of deliverable quantity, deliverable volumes. So this is a very good volume and highest quantity has been taken here. So we expect a price to go upside because this kind of volume has been created by the big institutions. Retailers cannot produce this kind of volume under the single day because of the limitation of the capital. So if the institutions are much interested, I will be also interested in this counter. One more thing is here, RSI is crossing the 60 zone. That is a great sign and bullish sign. And if I take this is a good breakout also. And if I can take another trend line here, from this point to this point, again, there is a good breakout. So overall, we have seen after a good rally, it is a correction, small correction, which is very good and healthy. And the trend line breakout we have seen here. This is a trend line breakout. So trend change, this is a trend reversal here with a good volumes, and also deliverable quantity is very high, maximum in last 1 month. So very nice signal in this chart. Let me show you now, discuss the levels. Before that, there is a one disclaimer. This is not a buy and sell recommendation. Do consult your financial advisor before taking any position. This is just for the educational purpose only. So now let's discuss the level. The last closing is around 433.75, and this is also a good breakout here, swing high breakout. Expecting a resistance zone is somewhere here around 475, and you can also take the Fibonacci extension to check, which is also near to the 466, 161%, and 475 is a swing high. So we will take this as a swing high, our first target 475. 475 we will take as a first target. And second one is obviously this high 524. Okay, let me mark this also. If the rally continue, we will see a second target as well, 524 somewhere. And now let's discuss the stop loss. Where to put the stop loss? 433, and you can just put the stop loss at this swing low, slightly below this swing low, 390. Keep the stop loss of 390. 475 is the first target, 524 is the second target zone for this stop. Let's meet in the outer video.
आप सबने पूरा एनालिसिस अभी देख लिया होगा, एंड आई होप कि आपको अभी क्लैरिटी मिला होगा कि क्यों हमने इसको शॉर्टलिस्ट किया है, लेवल्स क्या एक्सपेक्टेड है, एंड हाउ वी हैव यूज द डिलीवरेबल वॉल्यूम एज अवर पार्ट ऑफ एनालिसिस. सो ये एक बहुत ही नया एंड यूनिक कॉन्सेप्ट आपके लिए शायद हो सकता है. सो इसको भी आप अपने एनालिसिस में ऐड कर सकते हो. एंड जैसा कि मैंने शुरू में ही बताया कि वीडियो एंड तक देखिए, बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिल सकता है, और आई होप कि आपको इसमें से काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिला होगा. सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट्स है, ट्रेंड है, मोमेंटम है, प्राइस है, ट्रेंड लाइन्स है, मूविंग एवरेज है. इसको हमने यूज़ किया है एक यूनिक वे में, कम्बिनेशन के अंदर. सो उसके थ्रू आप सिंपल एनालिसिस से भी एक अच्छा रिजल्ट जनरेट, एक रिटर्न भी अच्छा जनरेट कर सकते हो, अच्छा सा ट्रेडिंग भी कर सकते हो. सो अगर आपको इसको डिटेल में सीखना है स्टेप बाय स्टेप, स्क्रैच से, अगर आप बिगिनर हो, स्क्रैच से आपको सीखना है, इवन अगर आप एक्सपीरियंस हो, तो उसको काफ़ी बार होता है कि कम्बिनेशन में कैसे यूज़ करें, कंबाइन कैसे करें टूल्स को. सो मेरा एक जो ऑनलाइन रिकॉर्डेड वर्जन ट्रेनिंग है टेक्निकल एनालिसिस का, वो आप एनरोल कर सकते हो. लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हुआ है. लॉन्चिंग ऑफर अभी भी ऑन है 31 मार्च तक. उसका कूपन कोड्स वगैरह मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए हुए हैं, वो आप यूज़ कर सकते हो. एंड कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल है मेरा, अगर आपको कुछ पूछना है उसके बारे में तो वो भी आप मेरा कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हो. सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू सो मच गाइस फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. एंड अगर वीडियो पसंद आया है तो लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. वेट फॉर माई अनदर वीडियो. थैंक यू सो मच.